Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is another great low budget wonder. I love this one. We don't see this format a lot. It's a 10-page parallel, and I think it's awesome to just add to your repertoire. It's machinable, it's self-mailing if you want it to be, it's creative, and it has a really nice kind of panoramic spread that has a lot of creative potential. So this piece, when it hit the P.O. box, I couldn't wait to show it. This is from Grandview University. This was designed by Kelly Daniel of their in-house design team and printed by Town Crier of Pella, Iowa. So love this. So this piece, by the way, was sent out to let students know that they've been accepted and to give them kind of some ideas of what to expect next, and it also gives them a really fun banner for their wall. So I just think this is very creative. This opens up and it actually looks, a 10-page parallel looks a lot like a trifold when you start to open it. It looks like kind of a classic trifold, but once you open that fold-in panel, then there are actually two more panels hidden underneath, and those open out like this. So it's really just three parallel folds. 1, 2, 3. Very machinable and practical, which I love, but I love as well that you get these additional spreads, this first view, second view, and then you get this really nice panoramic view. And I love, this is higher ed. I'm a Viking for life, Grandview University. It's just fun. They can put it on their wall, get excited. So I love the use of this as well, but this has so much potential just for a really creative panoramic layout. So this was printed on 80-pound silk-coated cover, and these are score and machine fold, and then they hit it with fugitive glue right here. Closed it and send it through the mail. So very cool, great one to add to your repertoire. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. 10-page parallel folded self-mailer. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for fold samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.